Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Apple iPhone 16 Plus. So you have to start by opening your Apple App Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click on this icon to install your app. And then click open. Now you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click skip. Now you can sign in, or you can click skip again. And here you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click skip. Now you can choose theme of your browser, and then click save and continue. And here you can select your toolbar placement, and now click save and start browsing. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.